What's going on, guys? It's Dwarf Maximal RPM coming at you with another video today. And in this video, we have Vise Leopard 12 Lift Destroy in attack mode going up against Kinetic Satomb 2 Glaive Loop. We're going to get straight into it. Look at the hits by Leopard and a burn straight off the bat. This is going to be a good one. Leopard's just gonna tear right into Satomb. I love kinetic Satomb. I wish they made a Chozy or a GT version. That'd be so cool. Leopard lost a lot of stamina in this one though, guys. I think he's going down. No, he pulled out another one. That's 3-0. Satomb is getting dominated, guys. Leave a like for Satomb. Oh, he used the frame to kick back across the stadium. That would have been awesome if Satomb was like right there. Both of these bays have a really hard time being knocked out. Leopard uses the frame to keep them being knocked out. Satomb uses the roll. Personally, what I do is I pair the loop driver with the lift frame to keep the frame from constantly dragging, because there's less friction with the wheels. It's 3-1. Look at the hits. And that is 5-1. Alright guys, that's about it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos because I upload daily. And as always, I hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.